Hello, today we are playing Baby Steps.
Nate, buddy,
I'm going to
family
try to
meeting,
get
let's
the
go.
cup and take the cup to where it goes, which actually isn't supposed to be allowed in the demo. So I'll show you what I found and see if we can get the cup to be put in the cup spot, which I don't think is possible, but I can't find anything online about it. So the first step is to get the cup. So I think we'll go to the right here, which I think is the fastest way to go get the cup. So let's give it a shot. Because the cup is like right by the carousel, which is over here. If I can sit up. Now, the really shit thing is when you're holding the cup, if you fall over, he kind of throws it, which means the cup like goes downhill and gets lost and is very hard to keep track of. And where we're going is out of bounds and like not supposed to be allowed in the demo, so I don't think this is going to work. But I haven't seen anyone try it, so if we can get it to work, I'm curious to see what we can do with the cup or what kind of special cutscene we can get. Because if you bypass the demo wall, you can get 2 more hats and 2 more fruits than you are normally allowed in the demo. So we're going to go for it. So it's just past the carousel, which is over here. We'll probably just go for a swim here. As one swims. It's actually pretty good at swimming. Okay, so that is the end of the demo. That bonfire up there, which if we would have gone left at the start, we can get to it faster. But this way, we you know, the cup is down at the bottom on this side of the hill, so I just figured this is the better way to go. It's probably, I'm feeling like it's a little slower than the other way now that we're actually doing it, but I don't know. So we'll see if we can get this hidden cutscene. I'm not going to do the hats. I'm just going to go for the cup and put it in the cup basket, which is at a tower that is it's actually at that tower. That tower right by my head, that's where the cup needs to be taken. So, we'll see how far we can get. Oh, then I gotta stream after this. Oh my god, why? Oh shit. When I can't see the floor, it's harder to walk. Okay. So, we're what? 4 minutes in, we've almost got the cup, so we're doing pretty good. Because there's a little cart here. And that holds the cup. There's the cup. It's on this this horse cart here. So if we were to go left right out the bat, when we get out of the second cinematic, we have to like hike all the way up the hill and around and then back down and get the cup over here. So that's why I thought to go right. We should time it though, because I don't know what's faster. This was 5 minutes to get to the cup going right, so maybe next time we'll see if we can get the cup faster going left at the beginning. So this is how to get the cup. You walk up this thing. I go this way. You want to come right here. I put my left foot on this thing so I can step up here. And then once I have both my feet stable, oh my god. Okay. That's all you gotta do. Just walk up it like that. Okay. Now this part, I think it's harder than the other part, but you basically just trust fall and then walk. Now, you have to, when you grab this, make sure you're like about this far away because he's going to lean down and you don't want to fall after he grabs it. So make sure you grab it. There's the cup. So there's the first bonfire. That's the end of the demo. And if you go all the way up the mountain and get to that tower right by my head, there's a little basket there, and that's where you're supposed to take this cup. So let's see if we can make it there. We have to do a little bit of jankiness. It's all like totally legit, like it's in the game, in the demo, but I don't know if it's supposed to be in the demo because it's like a little tough to get up there. But see, look, see how he just threw that thing when he fell? That's going to be the worst part of this challenge, is because if we fall, he's going to throw that sucker and then it's going to bounce down the fucking mountain. So we'll try to be careful and we'll try to not fall, but easier said than done, you know? So I'll try to be careful at like times like that so I can hopefully not screw that up. And I'll show you how to get past the demo wall, because the demo wall is right at this first bonfire here. So I like to go up the left side of this mountain. I just think it's easier. So I go this way. Oh, see how he just threw that fucking shit? Okay. Okay, so that bonfire is where the end of the demo is. You're going to take the cup and go past that and go to the left. There might be a way. Ugh, I don't think you can go up that way. You can knock the cans over, but it doesn't give you a cutscene or anything. I'm hoping we get one more secret cutscene for the cup.
Fuck!
Okay, I'm just going to go a little bit careful here so we don't ditch the cup. Because the cup will slide and then we have to pick it up, which is like another factor of suck. So if you go that way, you can go the long way over to the pear fruit, but it is very tough and it's not actually where we're trying to go. So we're going to keep going left. Or keep going right, rather. Okay, so that's the first bonfire. That's the end of the demo, but this is where we want to get up to the watchtower so that we can put the cup there. So this is where it gets awful, at least for this part. Because I think if you beat the demo, or in the real game, once you are not on the demo, you can go up that side by the bonfire. But we have to go like this janky way. So I'll show you what that looks like, and we'll hope and pray that we can do it without dropping the cup. Took me 20 minutes to do this last time, and that was without the cup. And the cup does make it harder, because if you fall at any point, it'll just dump it. Dude, okay. Yes. So once you get up on this ledge, I inch over. Yeah, you're going to step to this place. Okay. Then just walk up here. Dude, I'm standing on that stick. Okay. So you're going to march up here. Okay. So now that we're here, the cup will fall if we screw this up, which is going to really suck. So we'll try to just get it. So all we're doing is going to inch up this wall. This is nerve-wracking, dude. Okay. So, once you're up here, this is... I don't think the demo is supposed to let you up here, but it doesn't block you until you get to the very top of the mountain. So, we've got a lot... Look at that butt sweat, dude. We've got a lot of ground we can cover. I just want to be very careful not to fall holding this cup, because the cup will roll. The biggest threat is he'll throw the cup if he falls. That's what we want to avoid. So we just want to do careful little baby steps so that he doesn't throw the cup from falling. Okay. Look, there's a tower. I don't think there's any huge challenges left. But we just want to be really careful so we don't throw the cup. So... There it is. That's where we need to take the cup. Oh my gosh, we can see it, man. Okay, we just have to make sure not to drop the freaking cup. I never trust the mud, dude. Okay. Yeah, it looks like we can get by over there. We're close, dude. We're close. We just have to make sure to not fall, dude, because the cup will tank downhill if we fall here. So that's gonna be rough. Don't throw the cup. Oh my god. Oh, that was close, dude. Okay. Dude, oh my god. I think we're gonna... Oh my god. We just threw the cup. I think we're about to get up there. Oh my god, this is it. We did it. We did it. We did it. That's where the cup goes, right there.
Oh, that's given me a real sense of trophy.
There you have it.